Imagine a hydraulic engineer editing a model of an irrigation system. As dyes to contain salinity are added, indicators show up pointing to an increase of pollution of water, but also a diversification of agricultural activities. Some places change color, reflecting concerns about the erosion of the riverbanks caused by the new dyes. Finally, making a sustainable indicator of whole system indicate degradation.
Now imagine a city council discussing the increase in air temperature in certain neighborhoods. The meeting table is a projected view of the city where indicators can be displayed, while the municipality shows that the heat bubble over the city has decreased over the last 5 years. Residents display long-term measurements showing the opposite in some places. Overlaying this information with simulations, participants can virtually evaluate different solutions to lower local temperatures.
Imagine, finally, farmers ranking different crop varieties by combining their traditional knowledge with data provided by sensors, designed with scientists and installed in various locations in their fields regarding water use and pollution. Regional authorities use this information to build a decision support system for farm management that helps other farmers optimize their revenues while preserving resources.
This situation would have been difficult to envisage 10 years ago, but they are now made possible by technological advances in the respective fields of simulation and IoT-based crowdsourcing.
The objective of Premise is to precisely demonstrate the extent to which these technological advances can effectively support transdisciplinary approaches in the management of complex socio-environmental systems. Premise is built around an international consortium that gathers the University of Pretoria in South Africa, the IRD in France, Bilgi University and the NGO Tabit in Turkey, Twiloy University and the Bakunghai Company in Vietnam, and finally the National Taiwan University, Wenshan Community College, and the NGO LAS in Taiwan.
The first activity of this consortium will consist in a systematic review of the literature of the use of simulation to support interdisciplinary scientific interaction and participation of stakeholders. It will then explore the concrete implementation of these approaches in 3 case studies that will mobilize academic and non-academic partners.
The first one will take place in Vietnam and target to SDG 6, meaning clean water and sanitation, with a focus on sustainable management of irrigation system through participatory modeling.
The second one will take place in Taiwan and target SDG 13, climate action, with focus on citizen science and participatory environmental mapping.
The third one will take place in Turkey and target SDG 15 with the use of sensor networks in precision agriculture.
The initial review and the case studies will eventually fit into a scholarly book and methodological guide on how to best use this technological advance to support transdisciplinary approaches.